Welcome to Secret Whispers of Earth, Part 1, Ocean Depths. You just heard a sound called the bloop. It was found deep in the ocean and is louder than any sea animal we know. What made it? A huge sea creature? An earthquake under the sea? Or something we haven't found yet? Next are strange sounds called quackers. They sound like ducks and were heard in the icy Arctic and Antarctic seas. Submarines heard them first. What are they? Are they made by a sea animal we don't know? Last, we have the sounds of ice. In very cold places, ice moves and cracks, making strange and beautiful noises.